This YouTube channel. In today's video, you clicked on here to see a room tour. Oh my god, like this is a well-awaited room tour. I know nobody asked me, but it's kind of sad because like I'm moving. I don't know, it's just this is the first room I actually decorated with care. So when you first walk in, this is what you see. Yes, I was laying on my bed. We're gonna ignore that. So you walk over here, you see this beautiful thingy right here, and then here goes me. And I'm in my Halloween pajamas because it's October 2nd. Oh, tomorrow's October 3rd. If you know what that means. So this is for my birthday. I'm gonna start over here. Mom got this for me for my birthday party. It was a Brad's theme party and a 90s theme, early 2000s theme. And then these are all the places I visit. All the snow globes. I've not been there besides, I've been everywhere besides Las Vegas in the little thing. That is, I can't even tell. That's Arizona, I think. Yeah, Florida, Colorado, Disney World, Las Vegas, and New Orleans. These are all my perfumes. I had more, as you saw in the last video, but I was throwing them away because, you know, a girl's moving. So like this is all I have. I'm probably gonna get rid of more of them as time goes on, because, you know, and I'm sorry if my fan is bothering you, but it's kind of hot. And I might cut it off. And then right here is just a bunch of jewelry, and it's very much a mess. And then also here's some more snow globes. Been here. I've been to Florida like 3 times now. But anyways, this top shelf is supposed to like be filling of snow globes to wherever I travel. That's my plan. And right here, this is just a bunch of, that's pictures of me from a bunch of like jewelry and all that, and Miss Eleni stuff. And then right here, these are all my, not all my foundation, because I think I have more in like this first drawer. But this is all, most of my makeup, not all of it. This is where most of my makeup's at. Like it's full. But yeah. And then all these drawers have just random stuff in there. This picture of me, just random stuff. This is what I was also gonna pack right tonight, because this is what can't, like the drawers, it's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but it's like screwed in. And then let me just throw my fan. And then you move right here, all the pictures of me, well, me, my friends, and memories and all that. And then I have a bunch right here, but I'm gonna put these in a shoebox. Here I painted this right here. I had a painting like before, like it was real bad. I might insert a picture. Everybody was hyping me up, telling me it's good. Nah, this was better. So like I like to paint sometimes in my free time. I have not had any free time lately because I've been working. And then I paint that over the summer and that at the beginning of the year, starting college. And then this, got this from Ross. I was with my mom and I wanted it because I always wanted something like that. And then right here my TV, and then my PlayStation, and then my, you know, and then these lights, these curtain lights or whatever, I got these from Home Goods. And then I know y'all seen this right here, but like I printed most of the pictures out on free print, and I just got like a whole Pinterest board and just screenshotted it and then did that. Don't know if I told y'all in the first video. And then this, I had this since I moved to the town that we lived in. back in my old house. Well, before we move out of my childhood house. I don't know if that makes sense. And then this is the skylight you're seeing right here. It's kind of sad. And then I have a new bed. I don't know if y'all noticed, but like it's a new bed. It's pretty small. There's like drawers. I don't feel like opening them up, but those are also another curtain lights and whatever on here. Over here is where my vanity is at, the door. And like I'm really gonna miss this. I don't know why. It's just so sad that I'm moving, but I'm gonna miss it. But this is where I have my brushes, my little light, and that is my phone. I was like, I don't know what that is. And then right here I have most of my shoes. I don't wear any of them. Only wear like on occasionally, but I think I'm gonna get rid of these two right here. I don't know. I think I'm gonna be getting rid of a lot of stuff when I move. It's kind of sad. And then right here I was just like, right here I was like, I don't like how it's like just a plain wall. So like my artist mind came up with the idea of putting pictures all around it. I don't know if on the first video that I had that, but now I do. And yeah. And I know in the first video I only had like, I don't even remember if I had like posters up, but I got this from Amazon. I think I got that for Christmas. And then I got these three posters from Redbubble, if I'm not mistaken. I just got the people that I listen to, which I listen to Frank Ocean, I listen to A$AP Rocky, I listen to SZA, I listen to J. Cole, I listen to Kali Uchi, however you say her name. These are like the ears I got from Disney this year. I don't know if I'm gonna ever post a video because like I was visiting this one friend I'm no longer friends with, and it kind of sucks, but I might still post it. Life has been busy, so this is my room. This is the last time it's gonna look like this. The moving process is gonna start. Okay, the moving process starts. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the moving diary vlogs and episodes, if you know what I mean. Deuces. It's a mess in here. Makeup.